It's Tuesday, 10th December, 10:30 p.m. Dear viewers, you're still watching us on ERi-TV, presenting you the domestic and international news prepared for this session. Live from our headquarters of Asmara is me, Hermela Gurmai, inviting you to join us on our tonight's news broadcast. Let's start with the major headlines. Promotional activities to eradicate harmful practices. Hamil Malo subzone declares itself free from female genital mutilation. India set to design $4 billion deal for advanced radar system from Russia. And Morocco sees record of 15.9 million tourists in 2024. In our detailed domestic news, promotional activities aimed at eradicating harmful practices and ensuring children's rights were conducted for about 18,000 students in the Dubarwa subzone from 21st November to 8th December. The activities, organized in collaboration with the Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare and the National Union of Eritrean Women, as well as Committee to Ensure Children's Rights and health practitioners, focused on eliminating harmful practices such as underage marriage and female genital mutilation while promoting the protection of children's rights. Mrs. Tsiga Baragaber, head of the Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare branch in the subzone, emphasized that protecting children's rights and providing them with adequate care and love plays a crucial role in their psychological and physical development. She also urged parents, the community, and partners to maintain regular oversight of their children's daily activities. Mrs. Trahas Adraso, head of the National Union of Eritrean Women branch, highlighted the long-term socio-economic consequences of harmful practices on women's health. She called on the public to actively participate in eliminating these practices and to hold accountable those who continue to engage in them. In other news, the Hamil Malo subzone in the Ansaba region officially declared itself free from female genital mutilation on 7th December. The subzone has become the 8th in the Ansaba region to make this declaration. Mrs. Amna Haj, administrator of the subzone, stated that this achievement is the result of sustained awareness-raising activities by all stakeholders. She congratulated the residents and called for continued public involvement to ensure in sustaining the eradication. Colonel Tasfat Yangurmai, head of the social services in the region and chairman of the Committee for Ensuring the Rights of Children and Women and the Eradication of Harmful Practices, highlighted the negative health and psychological effects of the female genital mutilation on women. He also expressed gratitude to all those involved in raising public awareness. Ambassador Abdullah Musa, governor of the region, congratulated the people of the subzone and emphasized the importance of sustaining these achievements. It's worth noting that through the collaborative efforts of the Ministries of Labor and Social Welfare, Health and the National Union of Eritrean Women, 8 out of 9 subzones in the region have declared themselves free from female genital mutilation. In other news, during an activity assessment meeting held on 28 November, it was reported that significant water and soil conservation activities had been carried out in the Habaro subzone. According to the report presented, 652 hectares of terraces were constructed, 1,131 hectares were renovated, and 85 cubic meters of water diversion systems were built. Furthermore, 37,583 seedlings were planted. The report also highlighted that the water projects in the subzone are contributing to the enrichment of underground water. Participants at the meeting held extensive discussions on the report and adopted several recommendations. Mr. Fetwi Gabre Mescal, administrator of the subzone, called for stronger efforts to improve the teaching-learning process and ensure sustainable and regular community campaigns. Dear viewers, do stay tuned for our international news right after the short break. Welcome back. India and Russia are close to finalize a landmark of $4 billion defense agreement for an advanced long-range early warning radar system designed to enhance the South Asian nation's missile detection and air defense capabilities. According to media reports, the deal is in the advanced stage. The radar is part of the Veronese series manufactured by Almaz Entei Corporation, one of the largest integrated manufacturers of aerospace equipment, including anti-aircraft missile systems and radars. It boasts the capability to identify and track threats, including ballistic missiles and aircraft, over a distance of up to 8,000 kilometers. This significant coverage moves India closer to acquiring capabilities previously available only to a select group of countries. This acquisition aligns with India's efforts to modernize its air defense infrastructure in response to increasing regional and global security challenges. With enhanced detection capabilities, the radar will provide crucial early warnings of potential threats, expanding India's surveillance reach well beyond its borders. The two sides will review defense ties, including ongoing and prospective joint venture projects, supplies of spare parts for India's fleet of Russian origin warplanes and warships, and deliveries of two remaining S-400 Triumph missile defense systems that India purchased from Russia in 2018. Though India has been actively diversifying its military import sources and technological partnerships, Russia remains its largest defense supplier. In our final international news, Morocco's tourism industry is celebrating a major milestone with 15.9 million visitors recorded by the end of November 2024, marking a 20% increase compared to the same period in 2023, according to the Tourism Ministry. November alone saw a dramatic boost with 1.3 million tourists arriving, representing a 31% increase over the previous year. This surge reflects Morocco's growing appeal as a global travel destination. A portion of the growth comes from Moroccan residents living abroad, who contributed to a 17% rise in visits. This influx added an extra 1.1 million visitors, highlighting the strong connection between Moroccans abroad and their home country. Tourism plays a vital role in Morocco's economy, accounting for about 7% of GDP. It's also a key source of jobs and foreign currency, making the sector essential for the nation's growth. Morocco's tourism strategy is ambitious. The country aims to welcome 17.5 million visitors by 2026 and 26 million by 2030, when it will co-host the FIFA World Cup with Spain and Portugal. These targets reflect Morocco's plan to solidify its position as one of the world's top tourist destinations. Dear viewers, we are done with the news prepared for this session, and now a quick recap of the major headlines. Promotional activities to eradicate harmful practices. Hamel Malo subzone declares itself free from female genital mutilation. India set to sign $4 billion deal for advanced radar system from Russia. And Morocco sees record of 15.9 million tourists in 2024. Viewers, that was all for tonight. Thank you for joining us and have a blessed one.